This sport utility generally a joy to drive. You will find its gas V6 3.4L/204 and 5-speed automatic sounds smooth. Options on this vehicle include front reclining bucket seats, a tilt sliding sunroof, a 3.4L 3400 V6 engine, electronically controlled 5-speed automatic transmission, 4-16 x 6.5 40.6 cm x 16.5 cm cast aluminum wheels, Blackwall all-season P235/65R16 tires and the leather seating surfaces seat trim. Come on out today.